Hello YouTube. We just got the DJI Mavic Mini drone. We've taken it out for a few test shots around our neighborhood, but today we're gonna go on an adventure around Wilderness and find the best drone locations we can and practice with our Mavic Mini. We'll take you guys along to show you what we like about it, what we don't like about it, and just see if we know how to fly the thing. So let's go. So with our Mavic Mini, we got the DJI Fly More kit. I read online that it's the best thing to, it's $100 more, but to buy all of the extra pieces separately would cost a lot more. So I took that advice, I got it. It comes with this hard shell kit that's perfect for transporting. I throw it in my backpack. I'm not worried about it getting beat up or anything. I'm really glad I got this box. We also use it as our takeoff point. So it comes with the controller here. Take one of these. It comes with 3 of these for all the different types of phones that you use. Just connect it like that. Put your iPhone here. iPhone, Android, whatever. And then the joysticks, you pop them out from under there. So this is the Mavic Mini drone. It is about the size of the palm of my hand. I got this for size. So we are traveling a lot, we're always on the road, and as you know already, our camera is a GoPro Hero 8. I'm a big fan of traveling and vlogging with the least amount of equipment possible so it doesn't impact your travel experience or make you a target when you're on the road. But the first thing you want to do is take off the gimbal cover. You don't want to make a mistake and go and fly. With this on, your dope shots are actually ruined. See here, like I was saying, the stickers are still on, so you just do 1 and 2 like that. You got 2 over here. All right, so now the drone is ready for flight. Next step, we connect the phone to the controller. Oh yeah, you wanna make sure the volume is on your phone. Okay, and then you need to have the DJI Fly app. So you open up the app, turn on your remote controller, turn on the drone. You always want to make sure the drone is pointed behind you when you prepare for takeoff. Okay, so you connect to your aircraft. So the only way I know how to take off so far is over here on the left-hand side of the screen. There's going to be this, and then you hold down takeoff. Takeoff. Can't go too high here because this is a paraglider's hotspot. So one downfall with the DJI Mavic Mini. You cannot fly it when the conditions are too windy. We knew this getting this drone. We actually have planned to fly it so many more times than we actually have, but the wind has kept us from flying. So the drone is not going up as high as we'd like, and it's going a little bit left and right. Yeah, so there's 2 ways to land the drone. You can put auto land on, which I prefer to do, or you can do manual landing, what Didi is doing right now. We landed the drone in the sand. Yeah. So now we're clearing out all the sand. First time rookie mistakes. Okay, another key when you're flying a drone in locations that you're not totally sure if it's okay to fly a drone, move often. So we got our shots from this side, so we are gonna move further down the beach to a little more isolated area. So I just made drone mistake number 2, asking permission to fly somewhere. Got shot down. So now we can't fly at the spot that I wanted to, or if we would have just done it and said sorry and moved on, I think we would have been in better shape, but lesson learned. Since we couldn't fly the drone and we were already here, we decided we're gonna take a little break and go for a swim. excited that we finally pulled the trigger and got a drone. It's something we'd been talking about since we started vlogging back in April, but we didn't know how committed or dedicated we would be to it. Also, we didn't know how many people would actually watch our vlogs. So we recently just hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. For a lot of people, that's nothing, but for us, that was a huge deal. So thank you, all of you who made that happen. And our goal was, once we got to 100 subscribers on YouTube, we would buy a drone. So we did it, and thank you guys so much because you guys have supported us to get a drone.